Hey guys, been a while. What I got here today is a computer come out of a car, engine control computer. We're gonna take it apart. It ain't gonna take long. Take it apart real quick. See what kind of board it's got in it. Well, it ain't gonna have a whole lot in it, but they're known for pretty decent boards, so I figured we'd do it. Got some good aluminum, sheet aluminum right there, and build a nice board. Got some old flat pack ICs and a bunch of other stuff on there, some tantalums. Not a lot to it, but it's worth a try. All right, well, that's the end of it. Hope y'all have a good day.